Alright. Here I am. Okay, I'm centered. This is not, though. If you are here, how's it going? How's it going? I'm doing very, very good, okay? I'm very happy to be here. I don't really have that much sleep. But, you know, life is always relative to whatever the fuck came right before. And let's just say that yesterday was a hard day. So today, I'm happy to be alive. So I've made some change. Whoop, wrong page. God damn, I got way too much shit up here. Can I collapse this? Alright, okay. So I made some change. So before our setup, whenever we were parsing things, we needed to pass a bunch of arguments. I decided to just bundle them inside of CS. So CS takes some special arguments that we clear out before actually pickling them and transferring them over to the centralized place where we do shit with it. So this allows to simplify things. So the idea here is that this command is like giga modular, right? You can pass CS along, and then depending on what type of modification, what type of operation you want to do with the file, you can select whatever you want on the side of the parser. So each person could make their own little parser that stores things differently to their heart's content. Now. The issue that we have with the last fix, because I did a bunch of small little fix along with that. So that's the output of the command. And it takes about 15 minutes to run this shit. So now it's starting to get crazy here. So let's fix the error that we have. So on one of our process, we have this error. So we actually call AST manager. That means that we're in CAST. And then we get on CPP Pro parse, CPP Pro parse. Inside of CPP Pro parse, we get here. And then we have this here. I think we were literally at the right place. 560. Yeah, okay. So this doesn't work because we cannot get the length of this, right? RE match has no length. Fair enough, fair enough. So oh. Okay, I think I get it. So let's just go line by line, right? So here, line, the way that it works, if I'm not mistaken, it would look like this. Wait a second. Okay, that's a little bit disgusting. Sorry. So the TLDR of my yesterday is that my daughter was sick, and that was a little bit of sickness, let's put it that way. Alright, sorry about that. So remember, here we're doing the C preprocessor, right? So our goal is to parse each section of this shit. So section number 1 is detecting this. We do it by using case. Then what we're doing essentially is we're cutting this off. So we're left only with this. So now what we need to do is to then section this part and then do an L strip in order to only get this part. So to do that, this is why I was using len here in order to remove this part. Give me a second. All right, we're good. I'm alone, it feels weird. Okay. So RE match results into a match. It doesn't result into a string. It results into whatever match this. I think here, if I do dot, it's group, right? I read a bit earlier. So 0 would be everything that match, but we don't necessarily want everything that match. So I'll go with 1, which should be a first match. So if my understanding of this is correct, it would give us those numbers. But it would not like create a bug if ever there was some numbers inside of the path, right? So this should work with a length. Yeah, that should work. Hello, Enigma. Long time no see indeed. How you going? You first, you first. How have you been? Right. Okay, this should give us an idea of what's going on. Let's save this. I'm going good, I suppose. I apologize for not having been here in a while. You don't have to apologize, my friend. A lot of hand in summary. Huh, that happens, and that's okay, right? You don't have an obligation to be here. I'm just happy that you're here still. So my TLDR, I've been doing relatively good. I'm still working on this. Now, in the immediate, like yesterday, my daughter was sick as fuck. She puked everywhere. It was super fun. So we had no stream yesterday. But we're still getting some shit done. In essence, unless I'm giga retarded, we're almost at a point where we can actually test the parser for real on everything. Well, we're actually doing it. It's just that we have some part that are breaking, like the line part. Of course, this part's break for obvious reason. It's not used. Never. So, yeah. Alright, how do I... No, I don't want this. I want to show the file name. Current file name. Oh, current file. Alright. That moment when you see that past you at a brain. Oh, I hope the best for her. She's doing better. You know, kids are magical. They just go through it. Like, it was rough for her, but... I mean, I think I've worked a lot on myself. I know how to handle these things. So, like, the artist part, as most thing in life, the artist part with this is just accepting that you will throw away your night just fucking cleaning up and, like, taking care of a crying baby. But like once you accept that, it becomes easy. Just ugger and get vomited on. So, I mean, I did that for a lot longer when she was younger, so who gives a fuck? No, expectations are really important, Nigma. Always work on expectations. When you're fucked, and you feel like you're fucked, lower them expectations and your life will already be better. Oh, that's so good. Look at that fucking... And look at that memory usage. How low it is. God dang it. We're cooking now. We all have our ups and downs across fluctuations of life. What's important is to never stumble. Yeah. Yeah, I think I get your analogy. And I would agree. Don't push yourself off the fucking tower just because you skipped a step. I'm sure that your projects are getting ahead. I hope they are. What are you cooking right now? Still doing hardware? You don't want to kill yourself too much with that hardware? Still safe? Still safe? Alright, where the fuck are we using this? And why? Oh, okay, it's for this war crime. I got it. I can technically bypass all of that shit. Do I want to do it? Nah. Alright. No. Okay. Do we even use multi-proc anymore? Okay, we do. This is going to be so fucking long. Okay. And you know what? The biggest meme in there, I'm sure that there's only like one file with a line C preprocessor directive in it. Firstly, I have revised the whole system of blocks in the little data packs for future stuff and implemented a whole loading system. That's great. You know what, Nigma? You feels to me like someone that like will work on all the things around what you want to do because you find them interesting, but when you get to like what you want to do, you end up like being like, oh fuck, this is boring. Secondly, the hardware has arrived and it did not explode, so I am not a whole disappointment. If it did not explode, it's really fucking good. Hardware is hard, man. You gotta get a pat on the back here. Hardware is fucking hard. But no success in getting it recognized. Don't know if it's my hardware or the software. Whoo, that's not good either. Not good either. I get the pain. I mean, in those circumstances, maybe you would prefer if it were to blow up, because you would have been able to, like, see where it falls. I have planned to create a secondary way. Simpler design. Just as a reality check. Yeah, maybe going down to basics is always a good idea. Making sure you're not being a moron. Always a good plan, always. Alright. Okay, I feel like my design is trash here. And I don't know if it's just because I'm like sleepy at this shit that I think that. Anyway. I want the result. Crunching them numbers. Okay, that's so fun to see. So fun to see. Oh man, if we can get to the step where it shoves things into the DB, I'll jump. Alright, so right now we have a setup where whenever our script, well, whenever our main makes connection, sorry, I'm phrasing this horribly. We have a system where whenever we need to parse a file, we have some process that will tell us, okay, you want to parse this file, and this is the parser to do so. And then it throws it to this. So here, second thing that we're doing is we're going by operations. Either we add or modify a file. But I don't know, is this even something that we need to care about? Well, I guess, yes, we need to care about add, delete, and everything else. Yeah. I apologize if I worded it like that, but to be honest, that's the perfect description of how I feel about myself, and perfect. That's okay. There's nothing bad about it. Don't have to apologize, my friend. I hate feeling like I'm just like doing the same shit 15 times and it could be like done in a better way. All right, let's open Bootlin. It's been a long time. It's been a long time, Bootlin. All right. You know what? Let's open some file that we know. Bind.h. When are you done? Please be done. Anyhow, what about yourself? Myself is doing good. Like I said, everything's going great. And we're going forward, right? Because right now, while we're speaking, it's actually parsing all the fucking files. And if I have not fucked up the last step, it will be uploaded to our DB. Now, we don't have a full setup of like how everything will be laid out. But what we would have is some kind of things inside of MAST, so an ID that's created along with a debug, which essentially just dumps everything that's inside of our class, everything that's inside of our struct equivalent. So that's why I'm impatient, okay? It's alive, indeed. Alright, alright. I don't even know how I want to do this shit. Okay, I think I'm just being retarded here. Okay. So whenever something is... Oh, we could do the deleted. Oh, I'm not sure about that. Fuck, this is going to be heavy, like, fucking around with our proto database. That's not going to be a fun thing to do. Shoot. Alright, I'm so triggered. I just want this to show. Maybe I should have cut down on the quantity of thing that we add to the DB. Alright, whenever we modify something, first... Oh, also, I at first implemented a block update and a block cooling. I don't know what that means, block culling system, because that's the best optimization I could do. So I thought, ooh, does that mean that you have done something better? Block culling is a technique used in 3D rendering, particularly in games like Minecraft, to improve performance by not rendering part of the oh, okay, I get it. But after reading the whole wiki on the thing, I figure where... I am re-implementing Minecraft in Minecraft. Yep, that's exactly what I thought. I was like, oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. Well, it has to be done, seeing out at the back are still just commands and not actual code. Fair enough. If you want to be the big boy doing it. How complicated do I want to make my life? I don't know, I just want to see result now. Come out. You result-oriented bitch. Ooh, we're almost there. Look, we're at 50% like processing shit. That means that there's a bunch of cores that are done. Yes, we got some sleepy boys in here. Oh my, oh my. I really don't want to get to the next step. I don't even know how to think about it. Oh no. I know that I'm going to have to do like this equivalent of what we have. I just don't know how I want to go about it. Like I can go into the rape the proto-DB and hope that my implementation is correct so that we never have an issue. Or I can also go the fuck it, just parse the current file and the past file, compare them, and then only apply the change. That's also a thing that I can do. But I don't know. Hard to choose, hard to choose. Bro, stop fucking parsing. I'm not going to have enough RAM. Stop parsing. www.buymoreram.com to get some free RAM today. God damn, gotta get that RAM. Could you please be done? I'm waiting on you. Mojang wishes so much and have refined both their data pack and resource pack system way beyond their original concept. Yet they haven't had a genuine way to actually mod the game. Well, technically, they never needed to, right? People use forged. Forge. Sorry. But it's kind of cool that they're doing their own modding thing. But it's not on Java edition, right? What you're talking about? It's on... is it Bedrock? How do you call it? Because I'm... It's on Java? Oh boy. News to me. You can see that I have not played Minecraft in a long ass time. It's fun to do a quick like Minecraft server for like a week. And then you're like, okay, I'm done. I'm done. Oh man, I should have put a timer on this. They're add-ons. Alright. Well, I say I should have put a timer on it. It's been 12 minutes that this shit is running. Oh no. Well, 11 minutes. Good old app stream just fucking running this. And I just know that we're going to be done with this, and it's going to have a dumb error. It's going to do like, I'm dumb, and I crash. And I'll have to kill myself. No, I'm joking. No sewer slide today. And never. Because life is good. Bro, just get there. What are my cores doing? I'll say, I'll give it to Bootlin for doing this faster than I do. we can give it to Bootlin, okay? They're doing a good fucking job. This is why I'll need to implement all of this in C. Famous last word. Nigma there on every fucking stream. Locked the fuck in. Telling me that I forgot about my little light. I don't know, what's the name of this? We say point virgule. Semicolon. Okay, now I remember. Okay. Yeah. I do not even know what half of my systems are doing because again, commands. That's okay. Just become the drunken master, okay? You get in and you're like, I don't fucking know. And you blow shit up. Okay, I think that we're on like 2 cores. No, 3 cores running shit. 13 minutes. We're almost there. And this is not even the biggest version. We're so fucking lost. This shit is going to be so slow. Oh no. I'll need to buy a fucking server to make this run. What the fuck? Do I need to surf eBay on stream for this? Or are we like fucking eBay? we're there, okay? We're just like server. Okay, which one do I get? Which one do I get? Okay, that's a raid. Not what I want. Oh, Xeon Gold. $2,000? Bro, I just have to save for like 3 months. Bro. Please, my Canadian overlord. Make this tax return be the best tax return ever. Oh my god. I'm ready, okay? I'm ready to get that fucking Giga server. Can we get some old bullshit full of RAM? Like this? Is it that old? That's the question. Ah, 2017. We're there. We're there. That would be fun. Hello, Stan. We're currently waiting on on my code to parse the whole fucking kernel, okay? It's doing it right now. And we were multi-core, but right now there is one lonely fucking core that we're waiting on that somehow got a bigger job than the other. So that's why I'm currently on eBay trying to fantasize about what I could maybe get one day. Bro, that must be DDR4. I would be so poor to fill this shit up. Oh, it's $2,000. It's not that bad. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. 14K. Try your local trash company. Yeah, I know the tip. But like the issue here is that if I have one of those trash server, they're going to perform about as well as my machine right now that I have doing this job. Because this is not like, it's not a bad machine. Fuck. How do we get the info on what's the CPU here? I never remember. Is there like a CPU ID command? ls/proc. Ooh! For sure. CPU info. Oh no, not proc. Expose me, daddy. Haha. Like an i7. 7,000. Oh, it's getting old. It's getting old. Me and my experimental platforms. Wait, it's not that old. It's not that old. It's built on the same fucking platform, bro. Okay. Do you think Python will hit the no-mem limit? Nah, I think we'll be good. Or the CPU time limit? Probably not. Try to run with nice-19 command. What? That's really a thing? Nice-19. Didn't do shit. I don't know what nice is. Oh, look at it! Look at it upload shit! What is nice supposed to do? Nice! Run program with scheduling authority. Run a program with modified scheduling priority. Okay. So we're just putting it in front of everyone? And is like nice 19 like a thing that makes your system crash? I don't know. I don't get it. Very nice. Gets favorable scheduling. Okay. That would be cute. That's some cars. I wonder. You know, I probably still have my old contacts. I probably can get a fucking discount, okay? I could get a fucking price. Bro, I need to stop thinking. I'm already out of my money. Please, Mark Carney, give me my tax return. I paid too much tax this year. I'm saying that and I'm the biggest fucking proponent of put more fucking taxes on my ass. Okay, is this working? Ooh! The Linux mother is very fair to his children, unlike some other mother, but sometimes one child needs a lot of attention. True! Recently I've heard from one of the local college that they got old servers from Intel office that is in the next town. Yeah, that's very cool when it happens. That's like it's often surprising how much cycling needs to happen in the professional realm. Like, people will throw away these servers and you're like, holy fuck. Give me one of these. And like, the reasons are good and obvious. It's just that they can still be useful. Okay, can I fucking get my things? Look at this shit. 3 million fucking objects. Bro, okay, you can take your time. No! Fuck, dude. I'm so fucked. Oh, I'm trying to insert shit that's not insertable. Fuck me. Okay. So 1, then we have... God damn. I'll read. Let me introduce you to Plan 9 grids. Yeah, indeed, it's better to give than to pollute. We agree. Holy fuckaroonie, what happened here? Okay, I need to rework whatever the fuck stores this. Because this is not okay. What the fuck? Whoa, Terminal doesn't like this. Terminal doesn't like this. No! My terminal crashed! Bro. No. Tell me that you're still running. You're not high level enough to comprehend this information. Indeed, I'm not. Okay, how much shit have we put in? Okay, we only put ASD. Bro. This is so cooked. Okay, I want to see the last one. Oh my god. Okay. We've got a shitload of these. Okay. We're doing good. We're doing good, Chief. 3 million. So end of the stream, eh? That looks like it. We're not doing much today. I'm more yapping. I'm just happy to be here. Alright. Maybe we can resolve whatever the fuck happened. Because let's inspect it, right? Let's inspect. Fuck. Bro. Oh, okay, I get it now. Here we go. Create processor execute done. Error happen while insert set. AST debug. Okay, so of course happen when we set. Insert into AST debug. Values. Oh fuck, we don't have the actual error. Oh, that's bad. So, note to self. Output to file. Output to file. Okay? We need to output whatever the fuck this is to a file. Next time. Okay, I hate when it does that. I fucking hate it. Okay. So here, is it that we're like having a tuple? Why do I check this? Okay. So this is fucking things up. No. What do you mean by 0x0d characters? Carriage return. Yeah. I don't get what you mean. What's the point of what you just said? Explain it to me. Yes, I know what it is, okay? I googled it. Okay? What I'm not understanding is the context of why Nigma is bringing it up. It was just a comment on very, very long stream. Ah, okay, okay, got it. Got it. No issue. Got it. Okay, fuck this. So right now, what we're doing essentially is doing 1, then we do... Fuck, let's keep a copy of it. I fucked myself. Oh, thank Lord. Okay. So from my understanding, we're doing tuple. We put the ID. Then we should close it somewhere. Close it. I hate when it does that. Why? Why? Okay, we close it, comma, open, ID. So our structure is ID, comma, JSON, ID, comma, JSON. Okay. So that's the structure that we have. I believe that's how we should do. I have recently been aggressive with using backslash in the data pack because apparently that's a thing. And any sanity in parsing the syntax is very helpful. To be honest, it does make me grateful for Python existence. At least you can use for. Oh, okay, I get it now. Okay, lol. Okay, Fuck my life, fuck my life. Put a new line and never do that again. Okay. Okay. Is this how we're expecting? Let's just look at something real quick. SQL. Ins. MariaDB. SQL. Insert. Bulk. Quickly insert data into MySQL. My thing with the parenthesis is not retarded, right? That's how we do it. Yes, that's how we do it. Okay. Good. Good boy, good boy. Let me put in the energy for Stan. Fuck Python, let's parse it with Perl. Perl's for little bitch. Put it in Pascal. Oh man. We're being dumb here, we're being dumb. You'll survive, Nigma. You will survive. Okay. What's the structure of our shit? Bridge table, the AST debug. Okay. Okay, then I'm doing something retarded. So let's do Python. MySQL connector. And let's put J and see the magic. What? What? Nobody's having my issue? What the fuck is this? Sir, my first program was written in Pascal. Keck W indeed. Not in Pascal. Golden starter lore. From MySQL connector, import error. Borland Turbo Pascal 7.0 on my father's old Pentium 3 ThinkPad T51. That sounds like lore indeed. Okay. Insert JSON data. Okay. So we're doing JSON.dumps, which we already do, right? 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 Okay. Having a bit of a crisis here. Okay. 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 Okay, but that's dumb. That's not fair. Oh, fuck. Where's the error? Okay, I'm not going to survive this. How many of these characters are, like, not valid? They're all not valid. They're probably all of them. All of them. Where do these come from? Wait. I'm being a retard. Isn't there a command that we can put I'm a seasoned computard? I'm sorry, but that's very funny. A seasoned computard. Oh, okay. It's written correctly. Go fuck yourself. Okay. Maybe that's the tip. Builder function. JSON object. A key pair for arrays. Okay, so what do we have? Do we have an array or do we have a... Oh, maybe that's the issue here. Maybe it should be an array. Oh. Wait. Why am I doing this? Why don't I... Why do I not just store it in text? Okay, let's follow the openings, okay? Where does this close? Do 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 do. Do do. Do 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 do. Do do. Okay. So our issue is that this should be an array. Right? Right. But it ain't. Fuck. That's true, Stan. I agree with that. The more you learn, the more you feel retarded. That's... You know what? I think I've learned that people that, like, are fully confident in what the fuck they're saying are probably the biggest retards. That's a fair assessment in my view. Okay, line post is open here, and it's closed here. Now line, where does this close? Here. This should be an array. Why? Imagine explaining to my beloved mother that on a fucking Sunday I compared assembly generated by GCC and CLang based. Like, how fucking much of a basement dweller you have to be to do shit like that. That's okay. That's okay. There's nothing bad about it. You know, most people that we look up to are fucking losers. Okay, they're all fucking losers. And the biggest losers are the biggest people that we look up to, okay? Linus, there's nothing more loser than literally going in and being like, you know what, my teacher gives me a full-fledged kernel, and I'm just going to do my own, because... Fuck you. Like... How loser is that? But you know what? He fucking did it. He fucking did it. Does loser deadlift 250 pound for 5 rep at Maple? If you do, that's great for you, okay? And by the by, I don't fucking know anything about weights, okay? I don't touch weights. My only weights is the fucking 20 pound I have in her bed right now, okay? I don't know shit. So, if you're talking about me, no. But you know what? I got some fucking nuts, okay? So I'm still going to call you a loser. Across the camera, okay? That's called having nuts in our day, okay? I'm being such a dumb fuck. Okay, enough memes, enough memes. I love you all. We need to stop. 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 Can we have an unlimited varchar? In SQL, varchar stands for variable character. It is a data type used to store character strings of variable length. It is one of the most commonly used data type for storing textual data. I should use text, right? I'm retarded. I'm retarded. It's okay. It's okay. Right. That's the thing. Text is made for this. Rock is heavy, but can lift. Other rock is very heavy, hard to lift. Bone grows stronger with tries. Ooga booga. Whew. Which one do I choose? How many fucking characters do I store? We will get some functions with more characters than that. 16 millions? I guess that's why we should use varchar. Fuck. Yes, I need the comparison. Yes. Fuck it. Go long based. You went 120. I feel like if ever you go and look at somebody's database and you see a row and it's written you hit 128, you know the pain, okay? You can feel that he fucking threw his keyboard right through the computer, okay? No screen. But there's actual CPUs for that. Yes, I know, but it's funny to me because, like, we're talking about fucking database here, okay? Just think about a database having you in the 128. Like, you know that there's no good rational use for such a fucking number, okay? There's no reason. No, none at all. The only reason why you have this is because you're triggered. You're super triggered. Up to... What the fuck does that mean? Bytes. Oh fuck, it depends on the variable. Oh, okay, I got it. Wait, isn't blob meant for this? Oh wait, it's coming back. Blob. Binary large objects. Okay, maybe not. Almost. Okay. Text. Do we go with long text? Because we got big balls. 4 gigabytes. Okay, enough meme. Medium text. Medium text. We got some big balls. Okay? You know what? This will work. And you know why it will work? Because we got the biggest nuts. Let's save this. Alright. You know what? I'll run it. And we'll see the result tomorrow. So that's where we are. We're at this point in our kernel live where we have to do this. And we'll see. I hope I did it correctly, because right now I don't like the fact that it's printing shit. Oh, okay, it's printing almost nothing. Okay, we're good. Run it with nice. There's nothing else running. There's no reason to. Okay, I need to read more, okay? AMD has like, what, 96 core CPU? They have more than that, nah? But no one knows about the Uint Infinite. Imagine calling a CPU architecture epic. Bro, it would be so epic. Wanna go play Fortnite? AMD has got the Zoomer plague, okay? They're fucked. Imagine calling a PU central when there are 1,000 other ones doing a lot to make it useful. Okay. Imagine calling a kernel open source when there are binary blobs inside base. How large is your binary now? What do you mean by binary? It's Python, brother. There's no such thing as a binary. Oh shit, were you guys there when I divided this shit? No, you were not, right? we now have multiple different file. We have the C equivalent of includes here, okay? We have different files for different shit. Moderate, or is it blown up like C++ Panic? When you use expression, who's gonna tell him? The fuck who's gonna tell him? The fuck are you talking about here? Fuck you, first. Second, fuck you still. Nobody's gonna tell me anything. It's Python. And you know what? Python doesn't have binary. It has an interpreter. And that interpreter is the binary. I mean, new line characters. What the fuck does that even mean? How many lines? Okay. I've got 562 here. Plus 200 plus 69. Nice. Plus 554. 12. 37. 89. And the best of all, 946. So we got what? A little bit over 2,000? Oh, we're doing good. We're eating pretty good. And I like the fact that we now have a divided thing, so that looks cleaner. And we have fixed all of our fuckaroonies that made everything break. So now it's readable. Not for you, you low IQ scums. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. you still are very fucking dumb. Just for... Okay. I wonder in what general percentage of the pie is just for parsing the syntax. Half of it. Half of it. So CAST is there for parsing. And 99% of this file is there for that. It's my biggest file. And my other files are like the other 50%. And I still have something to trim, right? Here, we have some dumb lines that are useless. Or did I trim them? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I cleaned this shit. Also, don't forget that it goes through the import too. Don't forget that it goes through the imports too. At least that's by what I know. Well, it will load the modules. Yes? I'm not sure if I understand what you mean here. Anyway, I'll go. I have some clothes to clean, some shit to do, and some life to live, I guess. But I really enjoyed being here with you. I wanted to do that today. It was fun. And tomorrow, no spoiler, but we will see what the fuck is going on, right? We will see if changing from JSON to full text will unfuck it. I meant that it goes into the module, which is also a Python program, and big ones at that. Oh yeah, but I'm not going to count the lines of things that I have not coded. Of course. I'm only counting of what I have dragged my ass through. Which is this. And you know what? Let's fucking send this, okay? Let's send this. Let's get the title of the stream here. I don't remember it. 72. Integration of GP and... Let's remove the capital. GP and MF into CS as a reference. Fix bug with line CPP. E72. Let's join all of that shit in. Alright. Looks good to me. It was a random question, but now my autism is actually pondering what the long count limit is for interpreters. Good question, I don't know. But we're eating good, okay? I'm going to run this shit. And we're going to see where it goes tomorrow. So thank you for being here. Thank you, love you all a lot, We'll see each other tomorrow, same time as usual, and have a quick sleep as usual. Bye-bye.